Folks, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin here with another video, and I'm going to show you right now how to make up to $70 a minute on a simple website. Okay, and I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to show you the income and the people that are actually doing this. Okay, that you today, listen, you right now where you are. Okay, it doesn't matter where you live, as long as you can have a PayPal account, as long as you have a computer. Okay, you can make up to $70 per minute, basically testing websites. Okay, so here's the website right here, and it's simple. Basically, you're testing websites and you're making money. That's all what you're doing. Okay, it's totally free, and these are companies that use this, like Google, Amazon.com, Microsoft, Allstate, Salesforce. They use this and they pay you a ton of money to basically test their websites. Okay, it's very simple here. And here's how it works. Okay, so everybody with me here. Okay, one, sign up. It's free. And you sign up, you start taking tests. So they're gonna send you emails basically every day. You test the websites and the apps and you get paid. Okay, make sense? You may say, well, Wesley, what are the criteria here? You must have a computer with a microphone. Check. High-speed internet connection. Check. You got to be 18 years old. Check. You must have the ability to communicate in English. Check. And have a PayPal account, okay? Now, the question may be, okay, Wesley, well, how much money can I make here? Well, check it out. Many students pay in the $100 range, okay? Many studies for a live remote research session. So that means you can make up to like $100. I said $70, but actually, if you're truly motivated, because you get these all the time, they come to your email like every day, and they usually, on the average, pay you about $70 or $100 per test. And I've used it. I've made some pretty good money, like when I was broke, actually, when I was trying to make money, right, in the early years of my internet marketing career. Now I have a successful business teaching you how to make money immediately. And I just cut through the BS. You know, a lot of internet marketers, they BS. I don't BS. People, like I have a program in the description below that within 60 to 90 days, you can possibly make your first million. Why? Because I did, and many other people have done as well. So you can check that out later. But right now, let's go through the sign up process, okay? Click here to sign up. It's very simple. And this is gonna take about 1 minute to 2 minutes. I'm gonna do it with you, okay? And you may say, well, Wesley, what's the name of the site? Here it is. Validately.com. I'm serious. Look, validately.com. Okay. Write it down. Screenshot that. Validately.com. All right. It's just companies around the world that do surveys, that do tests. They want to know basically what people like you think, okay, about their websites and the things that they do. Okay. Create an account. Very easy. What type of mobile device do you use? I use an iPhone here. I'm going to go through it with you. Look at this. Next. I use a Mac here. Next. Okay. I'm a male. Next here. When were you born? Well, I was born in 1995 because I'm 25 years old. Let's go. Next. What is your level of education? I'm a high school graduate, baby. Proud one. I dropped out of college and I still got rich. Let's go. Let's get it. Look at this. So, what is your employment status? Well, I'm unemployed because I never worked for another person ever, okay? So next, what is your annual household income? Well, they say $125,000 a year, but we do $125,000 a week. So yeah, okay, that's cool. Next. So the thing is, you're gonna fill out these questions according to you, okay? And make sure you answer them honestly. If you answer the questions honestly, that means you get more tests, okay? So if you answer the questions honestly, you get more tests. That means you make more money immediately to your PayPal account, okay? So my name is Shim Shady. Wesley Virgin here, okay? And for everybody that wants to know if I'm a virgin, like and share the video, and I'll tell you in the next video. What's your email account here? We'll create a fake one here, a fictitious email account, okay? Okay, and parking meters here. I can't. These captures, I hate these things actually. There we go. Okay. Crosswalk here. Okay, is everybody with me? Okay, and anybody can do this. I mean, it's very simple. I know a ton of people that use this website. A lot of people that are brand new online, this is what they use before they make a ton of money. This will bring in some dollars. Maybe you can pay your rent, pay gas, maybe get some groceries. Now, this is very important here. Your PayPal email, okay? So this is how they pay you, all right? So I'm just gonna put a fictitious PayPal in here right now. And I know what you guys thinking. You say, Wesley, how do you know about all these money-making opportunities? Because I used to struggle just like you. Like, you know, I was just like you. I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas. Grew up on the hood, south side of Houston, Texas. And now, you know, my companies collectively do over $1 million a month. And I don't say that to impress you, but I do say that to impress upon you that it's possible. You can do it, but you got to take action, okay? That's what all millionaires do. That's what all future millionaires do. We take massive action. We don't complain. We don't cry about what's not happening. We just take massive action. That's what I want you to do, okay? Makes sense? Because anybody can make $70 an hour. Most people don't make $10 an hour at their job. This site is going to pay you like $100 per test. That's a ton of money. If you do 10 tests per day, that's $1,000. That's much more money than you're making at your job right now, okay? So password, we'll say for password, we'll use something cool here. It's not secure enough, whatever. Is that secure enough? Okay, great. All right, hit next to check my location. And this is what you'll do. Is everybody with me? This is what you'll do here, okay? Hit allow. They want to find your location. Hit allow again. Okay. And like I said, you must use Safari. Okay. To do this, you have to use Google Chrome. I think I'm using Safari, but I need to be on Google Chrome, and I'm gonna show you why in a second here. Okay. You gotta do the captchas. Like I said, it takes about two minutes to do this. But if you're gonna make up to $70 like a minute, who cares, right? Just go through the process here. Okay. Yes, I agree. Sign up. If I'm giving you guys value, do you mind going ahead over to the like button and liking this video? The more you like these type of videos that I do, I would do more of these. I've been doing them every day. And I have a ton of people that email me and say, Wesley, thank you so much, man. I'm making money. Wesley, I'm making $50 a day. Wesley, I made $100 a week. You know, it's great for teenagers. It's great for single moms. It's great for people that want a side hustle until you get the knowledge to make real money online. There's so much opportunity out there, especially during the COVID virus. Now pay close attention to this. This is very important so you to make sure you get the cash in the next 7 days. Okay, you're gonna go to your email. You must confirm the email, okay? That's one. Then you must take a simple 1-minute screener test, okay? And basically you must have Chrome, okay? You must use a recent operating system, okay? You must have a microphone, okay? You must read tasks out loud. You must speak your thoughts. They're gonna pay you to talk. That's crazy, right? They will pay you to talk. You will see what I mean once you take the test. Answer the follow-up questions. Take the test in a quiet place, no background noise, and they will review your 1 minute. It only takes 1 minute, 60 seconds, and then you're making like $170 every single test. I used to do about 5 of these a day. That's $350 a day, and that's like 9 to 10 grand a month. Can I get an amen to that? Yeah, exactly. They'll review it, and they will get back to you, and you're done. How many of you can actually do this? Somebody asked me, what's the website? This is the website. Validately.com. Type that in, okay? I'm with you here. How many of you right now can actually do this? If you can do this, if you're a teenager, hit the like button. I'm curious. If you're in your 20s, hit the like button. I'm curious. If you're in your 30s or 40s, hit the like button twice and leave a comment below. Put your cash apps. Listen, it doesn't matter your age. As long as you're 18 and above, you can do this. You don't have to work a job. You can do this as a side hustle until the side hustle becomes the true hustle. Make sense? And remember, you can always move over to my, where's my YouTube? Oh, okay. Wasn't prepared. I apologize. Hold on. Let me go to my YouTube channel. All right, here we go. Here's the YouTube channel right here. Boom, boom, boom. If you want more free content, remember in the description below, I do show people how to become millionaires very quickly. You do have to work. It's not something that's going to happen overnight, but you do have to work. But if you work with me, I do work with my people, and you will make money in the description below if you click that button, or just get the free content right here. Okay. This is Wesley Virgin. Let's go. Motivated. Dedicated. Let's go. Later.